Let's draw a panda. This guided drawing is from the book Draw and Learn Animals. Panda bears are wonderful black and white mammals. They have big white heads, black ears, and patches of black fur around their eyes. To make this drawing, we will need drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or crayons. Before we start, let's look for the shapes that make up the panda. Finding simple shapes like circles and ovals will help us draw it more easily. Begin by drawing a circle for the body. Make sure to draw it big. Remember, the bigger the circle, the bigger your panda will look. Next, add another circle for the head. Erase any overlapping lines. Add 2 small circles for the ears. Now we're ready to draw the legs. We will start by drawing one leg. Then draw a light line across the paper. This will help us draw all the legs the same height. You can pause this video at any time. That way, you can take your time and work at your own pace. Remember, art is all about creativity, so your artwork will probably look different from mine, and that's awesome. Don't compare it to anyone else's. Yours is special because it's made by you. Alright, next we're ready to draw Panda's face. Start by drawing oval for the snout and 2 ovals for the patches around the eyes. Use black crayon to go over your drawing. This will help your art stand out. Of course, instead of black, you can use some other color to outline your artwork. Sometimes, artists used fun colors that are different from what we usually see. For example, you can color a tree purple or a panda blue. There are no rules, just use your favorite colors and let your imagination shine. Now that you've learned how to draw a panda, use your colored pencils or crayons to draw a forest for it to live in. Have fun and share your artwork with us.